Partial discharge measuring setup from SOKEN Electric Company Limited, Japan. The model DAC-PD-7, the partial discharge tester, is the standalone meter with the source built in, with the coupling capacitor and the PD pulse calibrator, all integrated in one unit. This uses the conventional measuring method as per IEC 60270. The meter and the source, the coupling capacitor, are rated up to either 5 kV or up to 3 kV based on the model requirement. The setup is mainly useful for measuring the partial discharge of the twisted enamel wires, the busbar PCBs, and the electronic components, the small motors, etc. The setup is when interfaced with the software. The software, you have the VQ measurement, that is voltage versus charges, and the time versus charges, TQ measurement. Both are possible. The minimum measurement of less than 1 PC is possible in this setup. Now, at this location, we have made a small Faraday cage, which we could achieve 0.378 or even less PC as the background noise. To make it very short, we have this setup in an automized. We will have a measurement with the setup in an automized way. You have the PD generated from the twisted pair built in inside. We have a RMS or peak selection for the display of voltage. Threshold of 3 kV is possible with this maximum voltage of 3 kV. Then the start voltage, you can define this maximum voltage can be set. We have set now PDIV plus 10%. Then the extinction voltage minus 20% is set, and the end voltage is set, and the rate of rise is set as 10 volts per second. You can have 25 volts, 50 volts, 100 volts. The threshold of 4 PC is set. So now, to start with, first we are required to calibrate the meter for the scale to fix the gain of the amplifier. So we have selected 100 PC as the calibration pulse. So now you can see automatically it has gone to 100 PC and the calibration is complete. To start the measurement, we have to say test start. The voltage is applied. There is an interlock also which is provided. If the door switch is open, the voltage will be going to 0. Now we can see the voltage is increasing. You can also see in the graph the voltage is increasing in the x6 and PD recorded here is also available on the graph. You can see the voltage is going. This is a sinusoidal wave, 50 hertz. It is independent of the mains supply. All selection is done using the data entry key. The frequency 50 hertz, and from the you can see here PD inception mode of 4 PC, and it crossed 4 PC. The inception voltage is detected, and as per the selection here, start and end, the test voltage will come on, and now the PDIV and PDEV is displayed here as 586 volts, and PDEV of 500 volts is displayed. You have the data, you can see the data will get saved in the Excel sheet. This is the fast measurement and automatic detection of PDIV and PDEV for the test sample. This is a twisted enamel wire, round enamel wire. You can come to local, that is from the remote, you can come to local. Here you can do the autocal, the calibration, you can do it, or manual cal also you can do it from the panel here. Auto test, manual test. Now manual test is included. Data entry available. You can select the range. Data entry again. Range is 1000 PC or 10,000 PC or 1 lakh. Range depending on the test expected value of discharges. You can select. So now it was sent. Now I will say data enter. Then this is DC. Next is rate, that is pulse per second. Then the calibration pulse is 100 PC is selected. You can see 1000 PC also can be selected for the higher ranges. Now it was 100 PC. Threshold voltage, maximum voltage we want to go. We had set up 700 volts because we had a record of that earlier itself, which was going approximately 600 volts. So we had kept, for a safety reason, we had kept as 700 volts. That you can change it using the knob here. You can go up to 3000 volts in this particular model. So then next is voltage. Here you have 25 volts, 50 volts per second. But in the PC you can even choose 10 volts per second. Dwell time is a whole time. If you want to test, then the frequency you can select the 50 hertz or 60 hertz for the source frequency, which is independent of the main supply. This is manual mode and auto selection. You can go and you can see the auto cal or manual cal. Now we have, this is a manual, we have to calibrate. I press the calibration pulse calibration pulse is available here, and you have to adjust the gain in such a way that the pulse of 100 PC is displayed on the meter. Now it is manually calibrated. You can quit. To verify, we can see whether again give the calibration pulse. It is 100%. So the gain is set, and whatever the 100% applied, now it is displayed. You can also, without the PC, you can apply the voltage and increase the voltage slowly. And here you have to manually observe at what voltage the PC shoots up. PC reading will shoot up. You can see here it started shooting up more than for it is approximately now the auto mode. This is on auto mode, so I have to do it in manual mode. So auto mode, again verify the calibration, done, good, and then apply the voltage. It is increasing, and so observe what voltage the PC reading shoots up beyond. Now you can see it is approximately 600 volts.